We've been doing a little bit of everything. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. So I have an hour drive away because today is Wendy's charity car wash event. Let's just get there. We have an hour drive, so let's lock in and go. I'll give you guys a whole little outfit check when we get there, but I gotta head out, so let's go. This is what the outside's looking like. There's an entire line, and I just made it here. I just made it. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. This is my first time doing a car wash, and you know what's funny is I remember watching something like a car wash type of vibe. Well, it wasn't really a car wash, it was like a hazing kind of thing, but it was on Dazed and Confused. But I always low-key wanted to do a car wash. This is really fun. It's super cute. Let me see if I can get on the security to get someone to bring me in. Dang. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's long. Dang. Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Shirts, just pick, when you go inside, they're on the chair. Get your shirt.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Where do we get the shirts from?
I've never tried it.
Let me grab one first. Is this where we get the shirts from?
Wait, that's a mother. Oh, yeah, wait.
I messed up. I didn't bring a rubber band. All right. New OTD of the day instead of what I was already wearing. Cute. All right, let's see what we can help with. It's time for this show to start. Let me look for the driest towel. This one feels kind of dry. This one feels kind of dry. This one feels kind of dry. All right, we're on drying duty. Let's go say hi to Benji. Oh, he's finally done. Hi, Benji's brother. I don't think I've met you yet. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
How are you? Oh, hot.
I know, it is so hot. Oh my god, I love your.
You like it?
Yeah.
My little. You like my little eyeliner? How it matches?
Wait, did you make that or you buy it like that?
No, my friend Ace. I don't know if you remember Ace, but he makes these.
Oh,
yeah.
It's so cute.
I always gotta
like the
support my
rhinestone.
friends' businesses.
No, yeah, you're recording yourself?
Yes, yeah. I'm doing vlogging right now.
Oh yeah, no,
Yeah.
no streaming.
No stream right now, no. I can't even imagine streaming and then trying to do stuff. Like,
yeah, it would
so I'm
be
like,
hard.
let me just do a little bit of this instead, because it's too much.
It would be pretty hard, but I'm ready.
I know, I'm ready too. I'm on drying duty and wringing this out.
Ready? Wait, where's
Hi.
the bottle? Oh, hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. I'm ready to
wanna
wash
say hi to my vlog?
Yes. What's good, guys? Woo! You about to start washing.
W shirts, W fits.
I know, I love these shirts.
Get with the program.
With these, right.
Right, get with the program. Get with it. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Want to say hi to my vlog? Yeah.
Hey, guys.
What are you doing with that gun? No. Oh. Let me show y'all a little bit of this prop.
He said, Jesus Christ had bread.
Oh, fuck, my sponge. We don't.
We need speakers.
I know, we need some vibes. I was gonna bring one and I forgot. With these wheels. Ugh.
I'm sorry, you're doing good too. I'm so sorry. You're doing good too.
Look at that. Precision. That's detailing right there. Like, this right here. This is what we need.
Oh, you like that?
This is, yes,
Yeah?
I love that.
How are you? I seen you I met you at Nina's.
Oh,
At her birthday.
Oh,
Yes. Well, I'm Soapy, but nice to see you again. They're about to get Soapy. Look out. And attack. Oh, shit. Get in. Get in there. Give me that. You got State Farm? Bro, got windshield protection? Get in here. Oh. Well, that one wheel got really clean. Ah, my hair. Oh. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. Well, as you can see from my hair, we've been getting to work. Busy as hell, man. How many cars do you think we've done? A lot. We can't put a specific number on it, but I think they've raised, I think so far we've all raised over 11K. I'm pretty sure that there's like a goal. There's like a goal that we're all supposed to be raising. Oh, I've been using this to squirt everything. I have to ask what the goal is because I really don't know. Insert the suds, insert the soaps. We've been doing a little bit of everything. Drying, scrubbing. Everyone's doing their thing though. Woo. Okay, let's get to it. Last bit is drying with these soaking wet towels. All right.
Let's go! Woo! Last car, y'all. Get down. Last car.
Here we go. Bro, my hands are so freaking pruny, it's crazy. Huh? I said my hands are so pruny.
Puppy!
Oh. I'm sorry.
Is it a Labradoodle?
The methods.
It's a baby! Oh my goodness! The best last customer.
Like literally. What's his name?
Look at those curly locks! That's so cute!
What?
Good way to end the day with a cute puppy. Who doesn't love a puppy? Oh my gosh, my shoes, they sound like Squidward. I'm like, my shoes are so soaked right now. It's crazy. Well, y'all, that's gonna do it for the video. I need to ask them what the total that was raised. How much was raised?
I believe we raised, what was it, 17,000, I think? 17,000.
Oh my gosh. What was the goal?
25.
Hey, we were so close, but
We still are close.
amazing. Yes, you guys can still go and donate if you guys want to. Where can they donate at?
That's a great question. Wendy, where people donating? Where can people donate?
Where are they donating?
It's a link. Wendy! Link!
It's on her TikTok and Instagram and Twitch.
So yeah, just go to her link
Go
in
to her
bio,
link, go to
and
link.
that's where you'll find it. So you
Yeah.
can donate. So go donate.
Go donate. We have a goal of 25K.
Yup.
Audience outside the gate, if they want to give you guys your celebration, they want to scream and they want to take some photos for you guys. So I want us to stand by the gate. I'm going to open it. No one's going to go on the other side of the gate, but they're going to scream. You guys are going to take photos and they want to celebrate us because they've been out here with us the entire day. Okay, chat? So we can show them love. So I'm going to bring this to the gate and I'm going to open it and then they're going to scream. Should we say charity event or what should we say?
Fundraiser!
Ice out.
Keep it as family friendly as possible.
Do you want it?
No, for real, dead ass.
Where'd you get the Mexican flag? Bye.
That's cute. That's real
Put it in your
cute.
shirt.
Y'all, we all did that. We all worked as a team. We did amazing. W y'all.
MVP. No, without between with the baby throw, I'm dead ass. Blondie?
Neon.
Neon.
What is that? Oh, neon.
No, you guys did great. You did great. Good job, guys.
Okay, so how many cars did you hop on? A lot.
At 8. We're supposed to leave at least.
Oh my god!
They don't see you guys yet. They don't see you guys yet. They don't see you guys yet. They don't see you yet. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
W event, man. W charity event. W turnout. W Wendy. W everyone that helped. This was great. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.